Number 5. Each face of a fair 14-sided die is labeled with a number from 1 through 14 with a different number appearing on each face. If the die is rolled one time, what is the probability of rolling a 2? This one's a pretty straightforward die problem. We don't have multiple rolls. We don't have, multiple faces with the same thing. We just have this 14-sided die. Don't worry, I'm not going to try to draw it because, I can draw, but not that well. And if I roll it once, how many 2s are there on this die? Where we've told there's a different number appearing on each face. So the 2 is only on there one time. There's one chance of getting 2. How many possible options are there? Well, we're told there are 14 sides. So the odds of it are how many options are we looking for out of how many total options? The one option of rolling a 2 is what we're looking for out of a total of 14 total options. So 1 out of 14, or A, is our answer. I hope you enjoyed that today. If it was helpful, useful in any way, please like, share, subscribe. You know the drill. Thank you so much for stopping by. Hope you have a great day. See you later. Bye.